Hmm? Oh, hey. Long time no see. I've been busy these last couple of weeks running the gaming community and trying to keep up with appointments and everything. I've got some flights that I need to go through as well. Later this month and the month after that. I can be pretty busy, yeah. How about you? What are you up to? Oh, yeah? Oh, wow. Nice. Congrats on that. Lots of hurdles, yeah, I get it. Believe me, I've got a busy schedule myself. And having to go through all that, it's just not something I want to deal with. Oh, right. I was actually just packing up some clothes for my trip to Toronto this weekend. Mm-hmm. Oh, no, no. It's nice to have someone to chat with, you know? Especially with how lonely it is in my room. Yeah, I've been trying to see what the weather would be this weekend over there. But nowadays, the weather's just so random. It'll rain for a minute or two, then stop, then repeat after another minute or so. It happened yesterday, too. Oh wow, really? The storms must be super bipolar over there, too. Yeah, I remember when you would just come over while it's raining for some entertainment. Though, I don't see how you found my fridge rant entertaining. The stress. Should I wear it? Nah, probably not. I don't know, maybe I should bring a jacket or a hoodie with me just in case it gets cold. If it isn't, then maybe some jeans and a t-shirt or something. You know, the hotel I booked is quite expensive, not gonna lie. It's only a few days I'll be gone though, so I'm going to have to make the most out of it. Here. Want a mint? My little brother got 2 of these containers, so I took one for myself. Hey. It's nice to have a feeling of your mouth being power washed by a mint or two sometimes. Oh. I keep biting down on my mints. It's like a little habit of mine. Glad I'm not the only one then. Sometimes I'd imagine people giving me weird looks when they hear a pop from my mouth. Alright. Oh, almost done. Maybe I need to practice rolling up my clothes a bit more. They're a little loose. Yeah, I sound a little sick. It's probably... Well, it's mostly just spring allergies, you know? I go outside and, it's just terrible. Let's see, Am I missing anything? One. I've got some notebooks I forgot I was actually bringing for some friends. They're like little pillow notebooks. You know, you would do schoolwork and then feel super sleepy. So you would just lay down on your desk. Yeah, these are the kind of notebooks that you kind of just lay on after you're done your work. Hopefully they don't sleep during class, though. That's not what I bought them for. But if they do, well, who's to stop them, honestly? They tend to stay up until 5 in the morning. Yeah, speaking of which, I stayed up until 5 in the morning. I was calling one of them, so I only got about 2 hours of sleep. Probably should rest, yeah. I might after this. Alright. Everything's in place. Got my gifts in there. Everything seems good. Yeah, I'll take pictures. I'll see you again sometime, okay? Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you later then. Take care.